Yo, Jimmy Coffin, what up? What is up? Just trading on this piece of shit volumetrica. Hold on a sec. I'll be right back. I need some fucking water. Can we get up to the fucking VWAP or what? Let's see if we could do it for the stream. I'll be right back. Oh my god, are you not gonna fucking take me out? Is this what's gonna is this real life right now? Let's fucking at least lock this much in. So stupid. Look at this. Can't even fucking see the fucking candles. Thank you. Finally. Fuck. Anyway, what up, JB? Hello, Corpian. TJP. I believe you, man. And that's awesome job by you. Curtis, what up? So you don't even fucking know how fucking annoyed I am because I was up $95 on this account and then I got caught like a couple of hours ago in some weird fucking I thought we were gonna reject at like the 34 or whatever it was. I don't know. One of these fucking moving averages. And it fucking popped out of nowhere. It was before the European Open. Um, and then I was down 115, and then like I was back within $60. I don't know. It was like I was getting fucking yo-yo around. Then I was down like $400, and then I was waiting for this move right here. Here, I was waiting for this. So I was like around here, and I'm falling fucking asleep, right? And I'm waiting for it to come back. I wanted for it to come back to view up, but I literally passed out on the fucking couch. I had the laptop next to me. I couldn't keep my eyes open anymore. And then, sure enough, like before this happens, I pass out. I wake up, and there it is. It happens. I'm like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. But lucky, lucky for me, we happened to come back to the VWAP, and I caught that move. But even this move here, like I found myself, I got taken out around here, and then I chased up here, and I got it. But like, so fucking annoying. So fucking annoying. Thankfully, it's the only account I traded, or I've been trading all fucking night. But this, again, volumetric is so fucking bad. I feel bad saying it because I like my funded futures a fuck ton. But man, this platform needs a lot of work. Let's just put it that way. So this was the last fucking trade. The trade I just took. Let's see. The last two trades. So I got in at 22. I got taken out at, I raised my stop and I got taken out at 27, even though my order was at 28. And then I got back in at 33. I literally cost myself, I got filled at 34. I cost myself $140. I'd be green right now if I just held. But I got back in at 34 and took it to 44. What are we at now? 45. Oh, I can't fucking show you because I have to hold on a second. I have to click on this hand first so I can move. What the fuck did I just hear? Anyway, I gotta fucking I gotta click on the little hand first before I can scroll up and down on this thing. But now I don't see the crosshair. So now I gotta click on the crosshair to see the crosshairs. I can't do both. I can't be on the crosshairs and then click on the chart and drag the chart up and down. I have to click back on the hand so I could go up and down, but now I don't have crosshairs. The fuck is that kind of shit? Are we rejecting off the VWAP now? Looks like it. Fucking looks like it. Oh, I gotta plug my charger in. But I have this. This is the account I have. This is the funded account. Well, I have two funded accounts with my funded futures, but this is the one. You know, I have this one and I want to trade it, but like God, it's so fucking. It's just, oh, you motherfucker, you motherfucker. It's just like pulling teeth sometimes, using this platform. Anyway, here we are at the VWAP. This is the move I missed. I missed all of this because I fucking passed out. This pop up here and the move back down. I missed all of it because I fucking got tired. Sleep is for the weak. Perfect example. It could be good. It could be good, but right now it's just not. JB spending the gains on baby oil. Yo, you got a 150K take proper trader pro? Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. TJP man, yeah, dude. Jesus man, that fucking sucks. Can you trade from there, bro? I mean, I don't know why you would want to. David Perez, what's going on? Yeah, it's fucking bad, bro. I have the account though. It's a funded account, so I mean, I'm kind of just trapped with it. I'm not going to just blow the account because look at that rejection. Because I don't like the platform, I just got to suck it up and make the most of it. I keep fucking something. I think it's the yoga mat in there. It's like unfolding. I keep hearing something in the closet, but there's nothing in there. I hope. Do I want to fucking? Do I want to fucking? What a little look at that 49. That's a nice little rejection off the VWAP. Is it going to come all the way back up? Bounce off the 34 EMA. So far, 3 points. Nice little bounce. Yeah, what else are you going to do, bro? If you're stuck in there, David Perez. Yeah, they are. I mean, we rejected off the VWAP, and I thought about it. I definitely thought about it. I like playing VWAP projections, but I don't know. I just didn't. Right? Sometimes you just don't fucking play shit you like to play. It happens. Yo, trader guy, I did, bro. I did. I got approved. And I already let them know. I got approved and fucking and the email, like literally, so here it is. I got approved finally. It took 8 fucking days. I got the email at 2:32 p.m. Eastern on Tuesday. And then I got the email an hour and 14 minutes later that the payment was being sent. So I haven't looked, but I have a feeling that the money's going to hit my bank account while I'm sleeping again. I'm going to wake up and I'll have $2,000 in my bank account from Apex. So that's cool. Now I got to, now I need to, with all the changes coming with them and regulatory shit, which is what I thought was going on. It seems like it's happening. Like I got to show them that I could fucking keep these funded accounts. So I could be, they want to push people into live accounts. I want to be one of the people that could get pushed into a live account. But At least we could. I'll keep playing this game, but they don't want. They don't. Darrell was saying it. There was some interview that Marco posted. Marco, I was literally. I just said your fucking name, dude, and there you are in the chat. Marco posted it. You guys should watch this. Let me grab the link. Hold on. Marco posted this interview with Darrell. I didn't finish it. I'm almost done with it though. Great. I mean, obviously we don't know how much of it is. I don't know how. I'm at minute 43 of 59. I'm just watching it faster. Listening to it and like, what do I have it set to? My playback speed is at 1.5, 1.5, because that's about as fast as I could get through it. Not because of Darrell, but because of the guy interviewing him. Because he has he doesn't. English is not his first language. But I can understand it. But if I go any faster than 1.5, I can't really understand the guy's questions. But Darrell is, take it for what it is. Like, obviously, people hate Apex. People are mad at Apex. All the weird shit that's been going on. For the last fucking like 3 or 4 weeks, I've been saying a lot of the shit. I just have this feeling that a lot of it is because fucking regulatory Fed boys are breathing down their fucking necks, right, and forcing them to make some changes. And sure enough, the regulatory Fed boy body that's doing this is CME. It's according to Darrell, and I believe him. I do believe it. But there's the fucking link. Still not eligible for your first payout, trader guy. Been a roller coaster trading journey. What happened? Fast Track said they're canceling me. They're trying. I mean, I don't I mean whatever. It's it's not that big of a deal. I don't use their prop firm. Um, it's okay. It's okay. But yeah. What up, Mark Loftus? Oh, let me go back to the charts. What am I missing here? Did I get filled? Look at this is the other thing with volumetric. Look, I'm like off the fucking chart for 5 fucking minutes. Not even. And it's not even I gotta like reconnect to it. It's the fucking most annoying shit ever. Thank God I didn't get filled, right? I wish I did, but still, like it's like, what if I got filled? I wouldn't fucking know. Do I think Bronny James has any I don't know, man. What do you think? You know, I get like it's like how many people got passed up for him to get drafted, because LeBron is basically the one who runs that organization. I think Bryce James is better than Bronny. Did you ever see Bryce play? The other problem, and I can't talk about it. He had a fucking cardiac. He had cardiac arrest. He suffered cardiac arrest, and you guys know what that's from. I can't talk about it. Who fucking a lot of these athletes, these young athletes, are fucking you know they suddenly have heart problems. That's all I could say. And he was one of them. I think that fucked him. That whole fucking situation, that right there, kind of you know fucked him, fucked up his thought process, his mindset. I don't know. But their son, but Bryce, his little brother Bryce, I think is the better player because I've seen him. I've seen clips of him playing. He just looks like a more pure, scorer. But he's still young. But you know how it is, man. LeBron probably fucking like, you know, who's the who's the guy pretending to be the GM of the Lakers? LeBron. He probably bumped into LeBron by accident when they were talking about it. LeBron probably threw himself on the ground, started crying, flopping, you know, crying foul, and he's like, "Okay, fine, we'll fucking draft your son, even though he's not ready." Like, let the kid play a couple more years in college and develop. He didn't. His college stats weren't even that good at USC. What was he, a 36% shooter? He was good in high school, and then he had that heart attack. So I don't know. Yeah, super. Yeah, I can't talk. I literally had a fucking. I can't even talk about it. I'm not talking about anything. You just, the kid had. Unfortunately, the kid. It happens. It happens. The myocarditis. He had it. I think that's what it was. Was that Bronny James's official diagnosis? The kid literally had a fucking heart attack. So it just sucks. I feel for the kid. You know what I mean? I feel for him. A nice little bounce here off the fucking 34 EMA. Well, hold on. I got to click on the crosshairs to get to to see where we bounced off of. So we bounced off of like 32 ish, and now we're up 10 points. Back at the VWAP. Are we gonna blow through the VWAP? What's next? The bottom orb. How big is the orb anyway? 81 to. It's not that big. 13 points. All right, we're well over the VWAP now. Will we stay over? We whipped over that shit. What's up, Son? It's pretty good. It's I've been liking this better than New York lately. Although I haven't really gotten to take advantage of it fully. Fucking nose is itchy. Damn, Trader Guy, you've had the same Top Step account for 50 days. What up, Evan Cortez? That's fun, dude. That's impressive, man. Yeah, you haven't gotten. Sure, you're getting yo-yoed around the account, but the fact that you've been able to keep the same account for 50 days is fucking good, man. That's impressive. You know how many accounts I've blown in the last 50 days? Funded accounts? Hey, yes, I can't talk about it, bro. We can't talk about it. I think you guys are okay in the chat. I can't talk about it. Big Brother's watching. I don't want to get dinged again for fucking spreading medical misinformation, even though I wasn't. But I said something. I talked about it for 2 minutes during a stream last week, and they fucking deleted the stream and gave me a warning. So I can't talk about it. But yeah, the poor kid had a heart attack, and he hasn't been the same ever since. And I don't know how much better I don't know what his shooting percentage at USC was 30. He only played like 20 games. Let the kid fucking develop. It's not like he was some fucking prodigy in high school. Nepotism on full display, but whatever. Like, if you're only shooting 36% from the field and 28%, or it was like 27% from 3 point, from 3 point range, and you're small, right? What is he? 6'2", 6'3", 6'1", and you don't really do much else, right? You play some defense, get some rebounds. Wouldn't it have been a good idea, a better idea to just stay in college for a couple more years, or at least one more year, and develop some fucking skills, get better, get your fucking legs under you? Hold on a sec. I got a dog at the door. Hello there. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, I'm gonna deal with him. I'm going down. Okay, in the bed. That's all I'm saying about that whole situation. Like, and the worst part about it is, and it's not his fault. It's not his fault that he's LeBron's kid. Maybe he went to one Diddy party too many. That could also be the issue. But these kids, like, it's not his fault that he is that dude's kid. You know, He deserves a fair shot. He wasn't a bad player in high school, but I don't think he was even the best player on his team. Where's the best player on his team? Did he get a look? Is he getting a look anywhere? You know, it's fucking crazy. It's kind of like when the Mets fucking like let Tim Tebow come play with them. You know, in the minor leagues. Like he was taking a spot from somebody who was obviously better than him. But it was, Tim Tebow. Sharpnel, what's good? What up, Sharpnel? I missed you, bro. I hope you're still here. But yeah, it's just fucking it makes me dislike LeBron even more. And then Bronny's just getting wrecked, like, because I love fucking Twitter, especially for sports. It's so good for sports, but the poor kid, and it's funny, like you watch it, but like he's just a kid. He's getting fucking destroyed. He's getting destroyed by people, and it's not his fault that LeBron's his dad. He's getting destroyed because LeBron's his dad, and LeBron isn't. You got the fucking LeBron super fans, but most people don't like him because he's a fucking clown. Anybody who walks around and calls themselves the GOAT is not the fucking GOAT. Yeah, the London session's great, but yeah, it was. Are we staying over? Now do I hear fucking Harvey? Man, what? Why did he do this to me? Just stay down here. Hold on a second. You're good. You're good. I fucking did it. I knew it. What's up, bro? Okay. So lay down with Penelope. Go ahead. Here she is. Come on. Come on. There you go. Okay, now you guys can sleep. Take a little nap while I'm working on the stream. Anyway, sorry guys. I had Mr. Harvey fucking come. I knew he was gonna come back. Yeah, that's all it is. You think Ken Griffey Jr. You think Ken Griffey is that all? That's all Ken Griffey ever wanted. Like, yeah, I'm sure it was one of his dreams to be able to play with his son. But at least Ken Griffey Jr. First of all, Ken Griffey Jr. was better than Ken Griffey Sr. All time great. The only thing that fucking he got fucked because not he didn't get fucked by anybody. He just got fucked by Father Time. Like he just kept getting hurt. But he would have hit it. I mean, how many home runs did he hit in his career? Oh, more than 500. Let's see, Ken Griffey Jr. The injuries towards the end fucked him out of like 150 home runs. I would say. I had the Ken. Ha! Oh, he had 630 home runs. And he still hit 630 home runs, and he was kept getting hurt towards the end of his career. Once he got on Cincinnati, he kept getting hurt. He could have easily had another 100 home runs. He could have broke Hank Aaron's record, legitimately. Although I love Bonds, I think Bonds is fucking great. But we all know he was on some shit. I don't care. So were the pitchers. Yo, Jam Bear, thanks, man. The Ponzi payout. Damn, Mark, you have a funded account for 90 days. That's insane. That's like, look, I'm not saying it like a bad thing. It's fucking crazy. Like, it's impressive. It's impressive, man. I think you got to. I don't know. At 90 days, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what you're doing, but whatever you're doing, it's working. Now you got to get to the point where you could, you know, maybe push it to a payout. Jay Jackson, what's good? Nobody gets the notifications when I go live because I get baited into conversations that the fucking that we're not allowed to talk about, and I'm trying to talk in code, and I feel like I'm getting penalized by fucking YouTube because it always comes up. I can't help it. I'm not trying to talk about shit like that. Maybe I curse too much. I don't know. But people never get the notifications, even with the bell turned on. There's some other setting somewhere, like on your phone or on your YouTube. I feel like there's a way to never miss them, but I haven't figured it out yet. What's up, Bob Hope? JB, who you asking? You asking Mark Loftus? I don't think he has. Are you asking me, JB? I'm not sure. Or you asking Mark? But man, Mark, man, 90 days is fucking impressive. You and the trader guy, 50 days, 50 plus days with an XFA account, but no payout yet, right? Just bouncing around. I I think it's fucking super impressive, honestly. 50 plus days to have a funded account and 90 days, 90 plus days. That's fucking crazy. You guys were able to hold on to those accounts this long. Like this, I just feel like the payouts are right around the corner for you guys. I think you guys are playing a little too conservative. At the same time, you're very good at. Obviously, you guys are really good at capital preservation. YouTube will only promote me if I hide my account numbers, or don't. You don't see any of it, so you don't know what the fuck is going on. You don't know if I'm fucking fading myself in other accounts on other screens, right? What up, Dean? Do you know why I had to fill out a tax form for TopStep but not my fund of futures? Is it because TopStep is regulated and the others are not? They're all regulated. They just um they might eventually send you a tax form. They're all you got to report it regardless, right? You signed agreements. You might get it. You know what it is because you're getting paid through Rise. Dean, with my fund and futures, you're going to get paid through RiseWorks. So you might get it from RiseWorks. And RiseWorks fucking, how much shit did you get a RiseWorks account yet? You got to go through, you kind of go through the ringer with them just to get the account. Once it's verified, you're good and the payouts come fast. But you get set up in there, fully. Hey, that's just to show how good I am. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Hey, I listen. I know who you're talking about. I know who you're talking about, and I'm all yeah. I have no issues with them, but I know what you're talking about. Do any other? I feel like do other guys do that? I don't even care. Like I don't even know if I'm supposed to. I don't even know if I'm allowed to show my account numbers. I don't give a fuck. I'm fully fucking transparent. You guys know that. I could give a fuck less if you guys know what my account numbers are. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that, according to the prop firms. But for the prop firm streets, you know, that keeps it real. You can't get a Rise account from the UK? I think you can. I don't think it matters. But I'm pretty sure that's how they pay. I don't know if they pay any other way. RiseWorks is an internet. It's just a place where it's like setting up a wallet because you could get paid with crypto. It's like you're a vendor and you connect with other vendors on RiseWorks from wherever. So I don't know. The VWAP. Let's see if it falls back. I mean, we can't get look. I don't know what's here, what's stopping it from getting over this level, but we can't get over it for whatever reason. Let's see if there's some moving averages here. I'm gonna look. Let's see. What do we got here? We got the 50 right here on the 15 minute. Let's see the five. Was it the 200? Oh, here, the 200. The 200 SMA right there. That yellow line rejected off of that shit. Couldn't get over it. Couldn't get over that shit. I mean, it's only 5 points, 5 or 6 points. Man, AS, I'll tell you though, Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. All I know is I'm sure, like, maybe AS, maybe for you, that $200 course will not serve you at all, right? Because you already, you already know what you're looking. You already know what you're looking at. You already know what to look for, all that shit. But for people that don't know how to trade yet, or they're still struggling, I'm sure that course helps them in some way, shape, or form. Even though all the written text is fucking is AI is fucking like AI generated content. But he did make videos. He probably talks about the VWAP. So I'm sure that that course is benefiting somebody. It just might not benefit people that have been around and know how to trade because they already know that shit. Xena. Well, it's not wise. Oh, it's not wise. It's rise with a rise. I think it's riseworks.io. .biz.co. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, well, yeah, it's because PW says the VWAP. So I'm not making fun of him. I just think it's funny. Like me and my boy always, and every time, we always say the VWAP because of that. But the funny part is like when you say, oh, the upper the VWAP band and the lower the VWAP band, you know? But yeah, look, here we go again. Are we going to get over this? Probably. I don't know. All these indicators and fucking moving averages, there it is. They're good until they're not. It just peaked this. It just got the frightened turtle. It poked its little head out, you know. But yeah, this was the spot right here. I mean, we're up fucking 17, 18 points. I have my order down here. Oh, once again, we're not connected. So my order was down here. Could you, man? Couldn't come down another 4 fucking points for me? That would be amazing. I'd be green now on this account. Now I gotta wait for another opportunity. Yeah, Wise is one of the Wise is another one though. It's very similar to Rise, but it's not Wise. Rise maybe not be wise, but they do the same thing. Oh my god. What what? Clip what? The whole VWAP thing? Oh my god. Janberry, you set up 5 top step accounts on Rhythmic and then realized that the intraday max lost them. Is it still in place? So I had to that email them to change it over to the Top Step X, which was the second choice. Hopefully they change it over for you. Top Step X is actually I like Top Step X. The issue is the issue is the slippage on Top Step X is brutal, as if it's built in. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Whatever. But I like as a platform. I do like Top Step X. I still like Tradeovate more. I do like Tradeovate more. But Top Step X is definitely better than Volumetric. I can assure you that much. Damn, this is fucking frustrating, man. 4 more points. I thought about putting the order at the 34. This is the 34 EMA, this blue line. Bounced right off of that shit. Came back down to it. It's such a good fucking it's money a lot of the times. 34 EMA, the white line's the SMA. But man, the 34 in general on the 1 minute, so fucking good. In either direction. For a bounce and a look at that fucking shit. Well, I guess we're staying over the VWAP, going up to the upper the VWAP band. That's what this green line is. Moving on up like the Jeffersons. I think there was some dude named Jefferson from from the Fed that was like speaking somewhere. And then when someone said it, I was like, I fucking posted a GIF of the Jeffersons. Some of you guys might be too young to even know what the fuck that is, but it's still funny. Forex Factory. What do we got going on? The 9th. Ooh, FOMC meeting minutes. Crude oil inventories. Bostic. Logan. Maybe it wasn't Jefferson. Oh, here he is. FOMC member Jefferson speaks. He's going to come on the mic and say, we're moving on up. Oh my God. Nayo, what's up? What's going on? So this is what we got. This is a red folder. So this is at 2 o'clock. You know, probably going to cause some price action. Got bond auctions that might make the market move. I don't know if Jefferson says that we're moving on up. I don't know if anyone's going to believe him. Well, the market might. The market might fall for it, but I don't believe any of these motherfuckers. They're all full of shit. Why do they need so many different fucking people talking about shit? Look at all these guys: Collins, Daly, Jefferson, Gouldsby, Bostic, Logan. All liars. All boring as shit too. But this might fucking move the markets right here. 2 o'clock. Be ready. Young Pat, you're down 4,500 on your PA account. Any advice to get back up? Oh man, what size account is it? 30-minute opening range low at 279. Where are we at? Yeah, you got the 15-minute. The orb is at 28. The bottom orb on the 15 is at 281. 250K. Man, I mean, what is it? You got 500,000 drawdown remaining, right? Unless you're over. Are you over the buffer or are you not? How much drawdown do you have available? Oh, Dan, nice fucking job, bro. You know what's funny, man? I was doing good starting to spot them, and I fucking literally totally forgot to look for them like all week so far this week. Let me see where you fucking saw it. Great job though, as always. Let's see this shit. Oh, is this when I was fucking sleeping? It was. Oh, this was during right before the London Open. Yeah, I passed out. I passed out right around where that was happening. I slept through that whole fucking move, bro. I'm so fucking pissed. I'm even more pissed about. Well, I'm not pissed, but like shit, bro. Look at this. I took a great trade. Oh my god, disconnected from fucking volumetrica again. Um, I took a great trade to get myself to only down 62 bucks, and then we pulled back at the VWAP. I took it to the VWAP, and then I had an order about 4 points below where we came down, and obviously didn't come all the way down, and it's up what 30 something points from there. How fucking annoying is that? Did we hit the upper of the VWAP band 65? Almost. Tiago, what's up, man? You have like 25. Pat, that's not 2,500. That's like having a 50. It's like having a brand new 50K. So you're okay. Just maybe size down. I feel like you just keep getting fucking. What are you getting? Yo-yoed around, getting top ticked, bottom ticked. I would know because I'm the top tick and bottom tick king. Maybe you go in and maybe some of the trades you take have been good, but you're not locking in gains, and then you get fucking stopped out. You know what I mean? I don't know exactly what's happening to you, but that's a lot of the shit that happens to me, and then you're getting frustrated, and then you might be at the point where you're fucking tilting right now. You know what I mean? So maybe you just don't even fucking trade at all. Just chill out, wait for a good setup, but don't just because a good setup's coming, don't fucking like go full port or anything. You need a Lambo trade. Where is it, Mikey? Oh man, I don't know, bro. The Lambo trade was fucking, you know, maybe down here playing the bounce and going back up to the VWAP. I mean, we went up 60 points here, or if you just go from the bottom, we're up almost what 70 points. Maybe we come back down to the VWAP. I'll play a fucking bounce there. You think we're coming all the way down though? I don't think so. Let's see where we at. Maybe we come back down to the 34. Maybe not. Is this even fucking the right price? Oh, okay, it's moving. Rob Moores, what up, man? Rob Moores is a fucking beast, and thank you, man. Thank you again. Everybody show Rob. Rob Moores is habitually a habitual payout receiver. Dude is just lining them up and knocking them down, man. What keep pounding out. Hey, Jay and DJ, just topping up my PA accounts from 2,600 to 3,600 on this move up. Good luck, all, and keep pounding out those payouts like roast beef for the stream. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate the support. Man, and you keep doing the same thing. He's fucking killing it. Fucking killing it, man. I appreciate it, man. Rob, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, young Pat, you keep getting fucking stopped out. Maybe your stops are too tight. But you know what? Sometimes when it's not going your way, even if you make your stop wider, because you're like, I don't want to, can find a way. It will find your stop. When the shit's not going your way, no matter where you put your stop, it will get fucking found. You know what I'm saying? I've been there so many fucking times. It was happening to me tonight. Tonight it was happening to me. Just don't try to make it all back in one trade. Don't even try to make it all back in one day. You know, that's the other thing. Although I say that, but I've tried doing that plenty of times, and sometimes it works out, and sometimes it doesn't. Most times it doesn't. Tiago officially sized down to 5 micro since yesterday. 1 mini is too much for a 150K. Yeah, I mean, hey man, sometimes, yeah, especially on gold. Are you always trading gold, Tiago? I mean, at gold, you're talking if you're trading gold exclusively, you're looking at on minis, it's $10 a tick on one per mini. So, it's $100 a point. It's a lot. What up, Ron? You just posted a top tick song on Discord. I didn't even know there was a fucking such thing. Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious. By the way, guys, if you're not in the Discord, like Pat, I know you're not in the Discord. At least I don't think you are. You would definitely benefit from the Discord just because everybody's in there. There's some really good traders in there, and you would benefit from me being in there because I'm the gift master. But here's the link, guys. Anyone who's not in here, you're more than welcome to come hang out in the Discord. It's where the DCA gang hangs out, the DGen fam. It's a safe house for degenerate prop firm traders. Yeah, just young Pat, just don't fucking force anything. You know what to do, bro. You know what to do. It's just hard. Sometimes the market just doesn't cooperate. It just doesn't want to. It doesn't always want to cooperate. Yeah, crude gold. Yeah, man. Crude's the same way. It's $10 a tick on per mini. So like, you could catch some big moves, but you could also get hurt, bigly. Yeah, awesome, Rob. Thank you, man. It's so true. Like, I'll fucking talk shit. Someone, people want to come on here and be a fucking jerk off. I will talk shit with all of them, you know. And some of them end up being cool, but like, I hate that shit because all I want is for everybody to win. All I want is for all of us to win. I don't care what prop firm you trade with. Like, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. Like, just because I'm not going to get an account at every fucking prop firm, or I don't have an account at the prop firm you trade at. Doesn't mean I don't want you to win. I don't care. I want us all to fucking win. We're not taking money from each other. We're taking, and whoa, we're earning money. We're earning money from trading. We're not taking money. So we have a great fucking group. We do have a great group of people that hang out. JB. I don't even care that dude. I don't care if people get money from there. Like Milo Legacy was waiting weeks to get his payout. He got like 13 grand. I'm fucking super happy for him. He got money. He got his fucking money. He earned that shit. Damn. We didn't quite get. Even if I had the order down here, I wouldn't have gotten filled. We just bounced fucking 10 points on that 230. Well, on the 530 candle. Is there something going on at 530? Let's see. Tentative 10-year bond auction. Is that happening right now? Yeah, it just kept dropping, Dan. It just kept going down and down and down and down. But now, we're just filling the gap, I guess. Let's look at the hourly. That's a 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, look. This all we've been doing is just dropping. The high a day is what 297. We came down from 297 a little bit more than 100 points. Let's just say 100 points. I need to fucking shave. My face is so fucking itchy. But here is the VWAP band is literally the same as Monday's high a day. Go figure. Sure, it's just a coincidence. I believe that's what it is. Yeah, let's see. Yep. But look at where we're at. I mean, let's see the daily. Whoops. I mean, we're not. We're down from. I think this is the all-time high right here. 21,215. We're down from there, but I mean, but we're up after we dropped fucking hard as fuck. We're up. We're way up from the last low. We're up fucking 1,700 points from the last low, basically. What the fuck are we? 2257. There we go. Interesting. Sahad, I'm for the people. I'm for the listen. I'm for the prop firm streets. Yeah, young Pat, I've been there so many fucking times. All your trades, you were green on all your trades, right? But you wanted not that you were greedy, you just weren't getting what you thought you were going to get, and then all of a sudden it fucking pulls back and then stops you out. That happens to me so often. It was happening to me tonight in this fucking volumetrica funded futures account. Same shit was fucking happening. Adam P, what up? NN64, what's good? What up, man? uh, I'm glad you're not mad at me for accidentally putting you in timeout. Yeah, Tiago, I'm with you, bro. I'm with you, especially if you're trading those instruments, and it's more, like with the NQ, it's $20. It's $20 a point. With gold on 1 minute, it's $100 a point. It's a big difference. Yeah, yo, my bad. You have four 50Ks and one 100K combine on monthly with Top Step that I've been trying to pass, but I keep shooting myself in the foot. They're going for three. Hey, man, at least you still have. I mean, within a week, those accounts are gone. Just maybe trade one at a time, or maybe put a couple in a group or whatever. Young Pat, I am not the guy. Everybody tells me. Everybody tells me to hold longer. Ask Dan Emmons. Dan's in here. He'll tell you to trade smaller and leave a runner. And that's. I mean, I agree with him. But a lot of times I try to hold. I try to flex my. I try to develop my hold muscle. My wife likes when I could hold. Um, but anytime I try to hold it, I get I always end up getting fucked instead of locking in gains. I like to lock in gains. I fucking move my stop up, but a lot of times like it's weird. Like, and I know it's just in my head. But it seems that way, guys. People hang out with me on these streams and they watch me trade and they'll see it. They'll be like, I say it all the time. Like, if I fucking lock in games, right? If I move my stop up and I get taken out for a game, it'll keep going in the direction that I was in for the trade. But if I don't lock in gains, I'll get fucked and then I'll hit my stop loss. It just seems like it happens to me all the time. But yeah, it's just hard, man. It's hard. It's just maybe just take a different type of position and lock in, take some off and keep one. I mean, you're trading those big accounts, so I would imagine you're not trading just one. Well, what size are you trading on that 250? What's like your usual position size? Yeah, there Dan is. I mean, I'm telling you, hang out in the Discord because there's really good traders in there, and Dan's one of them. I am not the greatest trader. I feel like me and you, a lot of the same stuff happens to both of us. Because a lot of the stuff I described is what you're going through even tonight. You know what I mean? So at least you know that you're not the only one. 5 contracts. So lock in games with like 3 and ride 2. You know, see if it keeps going. And then a lot of people will say like put your stop at break even or give yourself, you know what I mean? You could do something like that. But yeah, I mean, man, we're just fucking cruising. Where we at? Didn't quite hit the upper the low. We're bouncing off the 34 again though. Look at that shit. The 34. Fucking reigning supreme. Here. What we have is the VWAP. Here. No, he's trading JB. He's trading a 250K Apex. 250K PA. It's still pretty big. I wouldn't even trade with 5 on a 250K. When I had them, I was doing like I was still doing 1 and 2s. Like on the 150Ks, I do 1 and 2s, and then I'll add, because you can add to a losing position once per trade. So I would add if I got into a 1, I would add 1. If I got into a 2, I would add 2. But 5 is still heavy. Yeah, Apex does allow copy trading on PA accounts. They do, Adam P. I got JB. I got to think of something else. Yeah, I gotta think of like some some old grandma, not my wife. Oh my god. It's too fucking funny. What up, Migs? Sipping coffee at 2:30 in the morning. That's fucking wild. Watching the stream on my phone in my backyard. At least you didn't say, "Hey, Migs here in my garage, and I wanted to talk to you guys about knowledge." Hey, man, you're up, bro. You're up, man. Because you know what? Because we're all like, we're all fucking degenerates. We're all just chilling. It's so cool that like we could all come together. We're all. It's like it's not like we all, we're all doing different things outside of trading. We all have different lives and whatever, different occupations, whatever we do for a living, whatever your family situation is, if you got a family or if you're still like young and shit, you don't have one yet, whatever it is, all the fucking bullshit that goes on outside of, the charts. But we have the chart, we all have the charts. This is something that we all come together on, no matter what else, whatever other bullshit is going on. So it's fucking cool. And we all get to fucking chill. And it is a support. It's a fucking degenerate support group. It's the DCA gang. It's it's a safe house. I'm telling you, my streams and the Discord, it's a safe house, a safe space for degenerate prop firm traders. What up, John? Dan Edmonds. Dan doesn't really sleep all that much. Oh, NN64. Tell me that's not one of the hardest things to do is to lose money on purpose when you're over. Yeah, normal people don't get this shit. Normal people don't get it. We come here to learn DCA from the master. Yeah, I'm the master at fucking. I'm the top tick king. See, like I'm showing some fucking restraint, not trading this shit. But I don't know because I don't know which way it's gonna go. I do feel like it could go back up, but I don't fucking know. I don't know. And what's also interesting about this week for me, I've had these I've had not these PAs, but I've had these evals all week. I haven't touched them. I haven't even tried trading them yet. It's so weird. It's so not like me. Normally, I would have either passed them or blown them by now. You know. And then here's another thing, like my Take Profit Trader. I have a funded Take Profit Trader account that I got on Monday. I activated it on Monday. I have not traded it yet. I've been so fucking selective. I have not touched it yet. Maybe I'm just scared. Normally I would have fucking as soon as I got that shit, I would have fucking been like, let's fucking go. But I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Something happened to me in the last 3 weeks because I was getting my fucking shit pushed in and I blew a lot of funded accounts. Mostly Apex. And I'm fucking the New York market was literally kicking the shit out of me. And I have PTSD from it and I haven't touched this account all fucking week. I was trading this 50K test account here, but I haven't touched this shit at all. But you know what? I got paid. I got paid $1,001 from fucking my funded futures. I got my first ever payout. So now I don't have to say. I can't say I'm hoping to get a payout. Not hoping, but I'm working to get my first ever payout from a prop firm not called Apex. Not named Apex. So now I got that out of the way. I got that monkey off my back. Take Profit Traders next. But like, I don't know, it's just weird. Maybe I'm just becoming a more mature fucking trader, even though I'm still not that good. YM is a rocket right now. What the fuck? Why does this happen to YouTube? There we go. The analytics page gets all fucked up. What up, Steam? You accidentally had a stop order, didn't know about it, and oh my god. Ugh. What were you copy trading all of them? Damn, bro, that fucking sucks. The accidental orders are the worst. Or when you have you have 3 accounts locked to be funded accounts on Friday, and then you think you're trading another group of 3 accounts, and then you go in and trade the same accounts and smoke them. That was awesome. That's just the way they do it, Adam. I don't know. And the 250Ks are the 250Ks are the max is 3,000. But you know what? With the 150Ks, if you get 2750, right, Adam? If you get paid on the 150K, you'll even if you get to the bare, if you just add 5100, your remaining drawdown is almost like having a brand new 50K. You have all of that drawdown, so I don't see it as a negative. YM, Young Money. Holy shit! Let me load my template. Why is this not? How do I have a template here? Oh, maybe I don't. Save template. Cambodian milk. All right, let's see. Let's go to YM now. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much doing the same thing as the NQ. Similar, but the NQ is kind of doing this. What's the ES doing? I don't even have the ES on here. Oh, I do have it. It's right there. But let's look at the chart here. We're already at the upper VWAP band. Can't get over it. The ES is approaching the bottom orb though. Nice movement though. Look at this move. Fucking great. Your 50K PA account is at 56K, so you have a good amount of drawdown. Yeah, I mean, you built it up to that, but yeah, man. When like, or that's like that 50K, and you might either you grew it to that from scratch, or well, obviously you did, or you've already gotten more than one payout on it. Like I have $856 of drawdown available to me. Like I got to build this shit back up. Whereas if I had the 150K PA that I used to have, after I got my first payout with it, I had fucking $2,400 available in drawdown. What a head start that was, and I still found a way to fuck it up. What up, Leonard? Yeah, where you been, bro? What happened? Your kids started dropping f bombs. What's the best prop firm? I don't know. I think Take Profit Trader is one of the best. I like Take Profit Trader the most. I like Apex obviously because I got my first ever payout from them, and I've gotten many. I've gotten 8 total payouts from them so far. So I got, you know, they hold a special place in my heart. And then I like My Fund the Futures. Those are the ones I trade with. And I just got a trade day account. I did just get a trade day account. You just started your master's in finance. Nice, bro. Yeah, did they have any classes? Did they have any DCA classes? That's cool, man. That's cool, man. I like that. You going for the MBA? Oh no, in finance. MBA is for business. That's cool though. What are you gonna like? What's the goal with it? Like, what are you get the so you complete when you complete it? Your professor told you to full port the CPI. All right, I like that guy. Who's the professor? Patrick Weiland. Oh, nice, Adam P. Hell yeah, bro. What up, Antoine? Oh, Top Step's good. I don't fuck with them. They're not bad. I don't have anything against them. They're kind of expensive too. I mean, their rules are good. But you got to pay $50 for a 50K. Damn, what the fuck? $50 for a 50K, and then This price actually like this shit's been better than New York. Oh, the goal is to work at a hedge fund. I got you. Yeah, you have to trade. Yup, Dan. I'm aware, Dan. I'm only on the third day. I will trade it. I just haven't. I just haven't been fucking. I just haven't been really loving what I've been seeing. So I don't. I haven't touched it. I do want to. I will trade it. I'll trade it today. I'll get a trade in on it. Top Step's good. I just don't fuck with them. I had a Top Step account. I had a funded Top Step account. I had my fifth day in. I could have taken like $600+ out, and I didn't. And I fucking blew it. Yeah, hedge funds are super hard to get into, but it doesn't mean you can't. Can you trade news with take profit? That's they don't want you trading. They don't want you to have any open orders or in a position 1 minute before, during, and after FOMC, CPI, non-farmer payroll. They don't want you trading crude oil on crude oil inventories when that shit's happening. They don't want you trading bond related instruments during bond auctions. Although they might have gotten rid of bonds altogether, like bond related instruments altogether, because there's some fucking loophole that people have been exploiting or some shit, some glitch in the matrix. Nemo, what's up? Yeah, I mean, Mikey, I mean, I talk about it all the time, like with what up, Caleb? You know, fucking, but the thing about take profit traders, you can literally get paid every day. You could get paid after day one, you could get paid every single day. So there's got to be a way for them to get, you know, to keep the edge, right? The house always has to keep maintain some sort of edge, and they're making it. They don't really have any other rules. They don't want you trading news, so it's a trade off. You know what I mean? And I watched, and do you know what I like the most about fucking Take Profit Trader? There's never any fucking drama with them. Never. There's no drama with Take Profit Trader ever. No, Apex is always shit going on with Apex, and then you got fucking you got CEOs of other prop firms literally beefing with each other on Twitter. Top Step included in that, where you had two CEOs going back. I mean, I get it. One was defending themselves because another CEO. You got two of these instant funded prop firm CEOs going back and forth at each other because one basically was like calling the other one out, or basically, you know, doing the us versus them type of marketing for to get attention or whatever, or to get customers. So like you got that shit going on, but that shit never happens with Take Profit Trader ever. None of that bullshit ever happens, and they pay fucking fast. They pay fast. You could get paid every fucking day. You could get paid after day one. But you know what? They have trailing drawdown on a funded account. I mean, but you could DCA like a motherfucker. You could bracket trade. You could trade the opening range breakout. You could fucking you could have a position for less than 15 seconds. You could be inconsistent as fuck with your position sizing. What else is there? What are all the other rules? You could I'm just rattling off some rules off the top of my head. There's no consistency rule on funded accounts. You know, so there's always a trade off. And by the way, if you use coupon code ZERODAYJAY, you could get 40% off any size test account and pay nothing, pay a $0 activation fee. They brought that promotion back. They brought it back. It's the best one that they do. Let me fucking let me drop my link in the Discord. I mean in the chat, because we're talking about it. I haven't dropped my link in here once yet. And I'm not crazy about, I mean, we can kind of chop it around here. I'm not crazy about this price action to take a trade. What up, Vinny Cuz? Steam, yeah. I mean, some people are starting to get payouts though. But man, that's crazy that you're fucking waiting that long. what motivate nation? What about trade iffy? Then I mean, I don't know. People are getting paid. People are getting paid. God damn, no doubt. A plus trader, what's good? Yeah, Top Step pays fast. I just don't fuck with them. I mean, I would. I had an account. I had an account. I was they do another sale, right? They do another sale where it's like $19 for a 50K. I'll get an account. I don't hate them. I just don't fuck with them. They wanted me to give away the milk for free, and they were fucking kind of douchey about it when when I was trying to, develop a relationship with them, and they basically said, "Fuck off." So why the fuck why the fuck would I want to give them any run? Like Jordan always found a reason to be found any reason to get an edge. I felt disrespected. So that's just me. But if you want to check out Take Profit Trader, my link is in the description below, but I'm going to drop it in here. 40% off any size test account and $0 activation fee. No activation fees. Normally, to get a funded account, it's normally $100. No, it's only $130. It's zero now, zero until I think the end of the month. And then My Funded Futures never has an activation fee, but they're only like 5% off any size account. But you could literally have a funded My Funded Futures account for as little as $76 all in using the best coupon code in the world, ZERODAYJAY. It's LeBron calls himself the GOAT, and we all know he's not, but I can call my coupon code the GOAT of all coupon codes, because why the fuck not? If LeBron could call himself the GOAT, I could call my coupon code the GOAT of all codes. You could even use it at fucking Trader Joe's. Be like, yo, Zero Day J sent me here. They'll give you something. They'll give you something. No, they won't. And then Apex is doing 80% off. I think today is the last day you could get 80% off and the $85 lifetime PA activation fee. But they already extended the sale like fucking 3 times, and they are habitual sale extenders, so they might extend it again. But it allegedly is ending at 11:59 p.m. Eastern today, Wednesday. Best code for Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, and Bullinox. If you fuck with Bullinox, you can get 90% off. They do only Rhythmic though, and the 50Ks are the only accounts worth getting. Uh, but the best code is ZERODAYJ. According to the prop firm Streets, it has the highest pass rate and the highest payout rate. I can't confirm that with actual data, but the DGen data in the chat, in the Discord, tells me this is the case. Maybe it's a placebo effect, but it is magical. Yeah, Adam P, because they're fucking cheap. Nima, yeah, exactly. Last day till they till they extend the sale. Bob Hope, what's up, man? Yeah, exactly. And that's the other thing. Like, what up, Calvin? A plus trader, what's good? That's the other thing. Like, um, like we were just talking about Take Profit Trader. Maybe their rules, like they also have a daily loss limit. If you hit the daily loss limit, you lose the account. So, some of these prop firms, the rules that they have, just like what Bob Hope was talking about, it just might not be conducive for your trading style, you know, and maybe a different prop firm is. The magical codes, John, exactly. Is Nutty Bar in probation? I saw Nutty Bar. Is that the real Nutty Bar who's posted in the Discord? Is that him? I gotta ask him. I gotta hop on a stream and be like, "Yo, is that you?" Because I seen him a couple. I seen Nutty Bar. It has to be him because it's got like his fucking, like his fucking like logo and his emoji or whatever, his fucking logo for his account. I seen him hanging out in the Discord a couple of times. He hangs out with the DCA gang. He hangs out with the DGen fam. I'll tell you one thing, Adam P, man. they go to 90%, I will be grabbing a bunch of accounts. Is he? Yeah, that's the other problem in trade evade. Yeah, you can't. You got to be careful. You got to be careful. I don't know why, Mark. I don't know. I'll smoke crack with Tiago. Oh my god, I'll smoke. You know what's crazy about fucking being in Vegas? You guys could literally walk. You guys could literally fucking. You could do curbside weed carryout. I don't know if he's on probation. I guess he made a video about it. I don't know if he's on it though. What are we doing here? We got a new hour incoming. We're gonna drop. I really want to get this fucking account. Fucking. Oh my god, I gotta reconnect again. I really want to get this account green. That's like my mission. Yo, DJ Khan, got to get to 10,000 subscribers, guys. 10,000 real subscribers, not fucking bots or anything. We'll curbside carry while visiting the bunny ranch. Yeah, there's all types of shit that goes on out here. First leg day in 4 months. God bless, man. Be good, Leonard. Good luck with your studies, man. Hope to see you again soon. All right, new hour. Let's see. Are we gonna drop here, or are we gonna fucking bounce again? You know what I'll do? Yeah, let's see. We're bouncing. Fuck. I learned that if you fucking go to fucking set an order, if you put it nowhere near where the shit is at, you should be okay in terms of not getting filled. I don't know. I thought maybe we are gonna fucking drop. Maybe we're gonna go back up again. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Sometimes I'll get in trades and I'm like, fuck, it's the hour's about to happen, and I fucking get fucked. That's what started this whole mess. Actually, I was up 95 bucks in this account. I took a trade for a rejection at like the 34s or the 21 here. The purple line is the 5 minute 21 EMA, and I didn't realize it was a new hour, and it fucking shot up. It shot up. I got stopped out, and next thing I knew, I was down 150 bucks or something like that. Then I traded some more, got it back. Been basically yo-yoing around. I was down as much as like 380 or 400 or something like that at one point. But yeah, it was annoying to say the least. Yeah, Mark. I don't know if he's. Someone else said. Who said they just posted a video? Oh, Dan said it. Nutty Bar posted a video on it. Maybe he was just. It, I gotta look. I don't know if he's on probation, or maybe. I mean, I was just watching that video with fucking with Darrell from Apex, the CEO of Apex. He was talking about it's like if you burn through accounts like funded accounts, and I am definitely guilty of that, not on purpose. Like they have to know that I'm not trying to fucking just get a payout and then blow the account and do it all over again. I want to keep my funded accounts. I think he's talking about the people that'll buy like 100 fucking evals and just keep fucking churning and burning. I just blow them because I run out of drawdown and I suck. Uh-oh. We dropping? Hey, you know what? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I got my first. I put my first order in for a fucking for the 150K funded account. Let's see if it gets filled. Let's see if it comes back up to this area right here, the 34s and the 9 EMA, and then drops back down. I don't know if it will. And I'll put an order down here at the 21, and I'll add at the VEEWAPP if we get down that far. There we go. I popped the cherry of this account. I haven't even placed orders on this account. This is the first time. How many trade days? You need 5 minimum, but you could pass it in 2 or 3 days, right? And just flip the rest, Tiago. 5-day minimum they make you have the test account for, and they have a 50% consistency rule on. Well, that's another thing I forgot about. We were talking about them before. They don't even have a consistency rule on their funded accounts, but they do have a 50% consistency rule on their test accounts. Come on, baby, fill me here. What up, Zayback? Are they really? Are they still going back and forth? It's been like 2 days now. What the fuck? They should fucking. They should do. They should. They should have a like fucking old school style. Fucking. They should wrestle in a tub full of fucking Diddy's baby oil. Filled first fucking first trade of this account that I've had since Monday. Am I gonna? Is it gonna be a winning trade? Should I just take the gains now? I'm scared. Uh-oh. What kind of spread are we fucking? 3 or 4 tick spreads? Shit, I had 15 bucks. Let me put a fucking stop in place. My butthole's tightening up already as we speak. I thought it was a good fucking place to. I thought it was a good entry. Here we go. I'm down. First fucking trade. This is why I didn't want to trade the account. I'm gonna get stopped out. It's fucking bullshit. Oh, maybe not. Wow. Fucking bullshit. Hey, you happy, Dan? Calvin, if you're asking about my funded futures, I like the starters. The starter plus is like a hybrid, the hybrid between a starter and an expert, but they have a fucking consistency rule on the eval, which neither one of the other accounts have. I don't know. I like the starter personally, especially after you put in a coupon code. It's 76 a 50K 76 bucks. You know, you could be all in with a funded account with my funded futures. You fucking piece of shit. This is why I didn't want to fucking trade this account. I fucking knew. Ugh. Couldn't reject here and come back down. Fucking piece of shit. Great. It's crazy. That's the other thing. Like you never see fucking. You won't ever see James from fucking Take Proper Trader having a fucking Twitter battle with anybody. Now it's gonna fucking come. Oh my god. Maybe not. This is what. Yo, give me this. Oh, we're going to the bottom orb. That's what's happening here. I feel like the bottom orb is nearing. It's 10 points from here. 10 more points and we're at the bottom orb. I would have gotten filled. Look at that. I canceled the order. I'm such a fucking idiot. God fucking damn. I canceled the order. Did you see that? 269 I canceled. We're at 266 now. Yeah, he's trying to. Yeah, he has. I mean, yeah, I think he has a connect. I think he has a connect. What up, Alfred? I think he has a connect over at Apex. I do not. Where's the ES at? We're still hanging out right here at the upper VWAP band. I can't believe I think we're going up to the top orb. I don't know, man. Let's see. Am I going to be wrong again? I fucking finally trade this account and I'm fucking wrong. Am I going to get filled here and then it's going to fucking drop? It's so fucking annoying. That was a nice bounce though. Fucking 15, 16 points. 250. I had the orders down here before. And then I had the order of 269 to go short, to go back in, get back in short. And it went down from 269 to 265. Well, really 265 and 3/4. So it was like 3 points. Right here. I can't believe this happened. Is it gonna? You know what would be fucking amazing? Because I had my first fill. I got filled here, thinking it was gonna reject off the 34. You got the 34s and the 9 EMA right there. I was like, oh, easy play back down because we finally broke down for the new hour. And then look what it does here. Watch it come all the way back down anyway. I can see that happening just because, just to say, fuck you, Jay. That's what you get for trading this account. Alpha Trader, what's good? Uh-oh. Am I going to regret this? We go into the fucking top orb or the bottom orb or what? Bottom orb right here. 81. Is it going to happen or are we going to fucking pull back and I'm going to lose more money? I had 15, 20 bucks in this trade too. I should have just taken it. Taken the baby gains. I would have fucking taken baby gains on that trade would have been better than fucking losing 110. Oh, fucking do it. Keep going. Do it for the stream. Do it for the stream. I'm locking in at least this much. Let's see what happens. Which is what, 50 bucks? Come on, keep going. Keep going. Hit the bottom orb. Oh my god, don't fucking come back and take you fucking piece of shit. You fucking piece of shit. It fucking knew. What did I have? It went up at what? What was it? Let's fucking try it again. I think it's going back. I think it's going to the bottom orb. Uh-oh. I really think it's going to the bottom orb. So I got taken out of 72.25. It went up to 75. Get the fuck up there, you piece of shit. Come on, bottom orb. Give me the bottom orb. The bottom orb is really at 81. I'll just keep it a little bit before that. We might go just a tip over it. I'm locking in gains again. This is a funded account. I'm not fucking around. Don't fucking take me out though. Back green, motherfuckers. Nice try, NQ. Locking it in here. Keep going though. Please. Pretty please. What up, Andy? Shit, it's 6 o'clock in the morning on the East Coast. DCA gang. Hello, hello, Corpian. Hell yeah. DCA gang in full effect right here. Oh, keep going. Yes, hit that fucking bottom orb. Hit it. Take that. Take that. Take that. I'll move this up a little more. Oh, oh yeah. Give it to me, baby. Just like Diddy says. No, I'm taking that. Don't take me out there. Give it to me. Give me the finest Cambodian breast milk. Lock in a little bit more. Oh, don't be a fucking pussy. I'm gonna get stopped out. I feel it. I feel it in my look. I knew it. Hey, I'm green. I'm fucking green. Hey, I'll leave this order in because if it hits once it hits the bottom orb, it's gonna fucking reject. JTF, what's good, man? Bowser. Bowser. Thank you, thank you. What up, Eric J? Where's Eric K at? Hell yeah, what's good? DCA gang in the building. I'll move this up a little bit more. But that was cool. All right, I finally traded. I finally traded in my Take Profit Trader account. Was what a nice little move here though. Damn. 55. We're up 24, 25 points from that last bottom. Lost the first trade, won the second and third trade. Green. I only need. I'm not going to pull a. I'm not going to take a payout until I hit 5,000. The buffer's 4,500. I only need $4,955, and I'm there. I got the payout locked. I mean, I knew this was going to happen. There we go. Let's see what happens. Is it going to hold or is it going to fucking blow through it? We hold in here at the top orb. I would have gotten, how many more points was that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I am no longer green. It would have been another, well, the original order was like, I had it at like 80, so I would have gotten filled. I would have gotten another 3 or 4 points, $60. Fucking back is itchy. I need a back scratcher. Where's Peter Griffin when you need him? I need a back scratcher. Eric J, he's in county. Dennis Hanson, what up? Yeah, NQ Futures. I was hoping for a fucking. Well, I wanted to get. I would. I wish I would have held until my take profit, which was around here at 80, 80 or something. I was hoping for a fucking bottom orb rejection, and it looks like we're not going to get any type of pullback until we hit the top orb. Well, we'll just keep fucking blowing through all of it. We go into the. We're going to hit the higher day. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get it. JB from 205. Nice fucking job, bro. Really nice. And Dan. Yup, slow and steady wins the race. Why am I on 20,286 and yours at you're on an old expired contract, I think, Dennis. What up, Elias? How long do you think Apex can stay and pay people? Because I'm thinking to buy more accounts. I don't think Apex is going anywhere, but you know there are other options out there. I wouldn't put all your eggs in Apex's basket. I would grab accounts at other prop firms. You know what I mean? Not just Apex. I mean, I wouldn't not do Apex. Like, I'll never tell you not to get an Apex account because I trade with them. But I'm not really too concerned with that. Oh, am I gonna get this? Is it just gonna go to the 9 and fucking bounce off the 9, or are we gonna really fucking dump? We'll see. Or is it gonna bounce off the bottom orb and then go back to the top orb? We're gonna find out. Yeah, NQZ4. I think you're on. I think you're on an old Dennis. I think you're on an old expired contract of the NQ futures. Oh, I'm fucking green. Oh my god. Keep fucking going down. It's, I don't know if it's gonna drop below this 9, so I'm gonna fucking lock this shit in. I don't care. Locking in gains, baby. I'm up $80. I only need 4,920 so till I get my payout. It's too funny. Yeah, we're basically at the bottom orb here. Oh my god, is it gonna drop below it? Is it gonna whatever. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I'm peace like that. I'm peace like that. I'm peace like that. You know what song that's from? Alfred knows. Alfred always knows the fucking all he knows all the shit that I fucking go all the fucking references. I gave it away. I mean, it's such an easy one. Nima, you're at payout. Crude got slammed overnight. Yup. That's a good song. I like that song. Commission, yeah, they take the commission out when you enter and when you exit. Bowser. Yeah, crude fucking holy shit. I guess maybe there won't be any war in the Middle East. Or they're just gearing up for another round of bombing, so they're gonna drop it. Everybody that filed, everybody that fucking got in because they think we're gonna go to war in the Middle East. Now they're getting fucking rug pulled, and then they're gonna fucking do it again. Funny how that works. Where's gold at? Oh, gold's here. Is this shit really gonna drop? I think I should just walk away from my take profit trader account. We're at the bottom orb right now. We're under the bottom orb. Full ported for the stream. Yeah, 15, going 15 minis. JB. Ron, imagine getting rug pulled on oil. I mean, they fucking dropped it. It's like they knew this shit was gonna happen. They dropped it like on July 5th. It was at like $82. And then they dropped it to like 68, which is a lot. It's like a 17% drop. And then all of a sudden, all this shit started happening in Iran and fucking and then it fucking shot way back up. What up, John Henry? Well, we got 118 people on right now. You know anybody? Is Nasdaq going down again? I don't know, Dennis. It's fucking. I mean, it's up a bunch. I mean, we're up. It could like if it's going to. This isn't a bad spot for a rejection, but I wouldn't go. I wouldn't necessarily go short. We're fucking, but we are up a fuck ton. 195. We're up almost 100 points from the last low. Basically, from the low of day. Right. This is the low of day. We're up 100 points from there. But we couldn't get over this last right here, this high before. This is where we were when it fucking started dropping and just kept dropping. We literally came right back up to that level and rejected off of it. So I don't know. I don't know. Bostic starts yapping in just over 90 minutes. Ghost Bear, what up? I don't know, Dennis, man. I don't know. I don't the Nasdaq. It could fucking pop. It could go up another 100 points. It's the Nasdaq, the NQ. I mean, this shit could go up to Tuesday's high a day in the next couple of hours, especially with the open looming. Probably grabbing some liquidity to drop. What up, Black? Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of that shit going on. Yeah, right here, 329, 20,329 is yesterday's high a day. Yeah, let's look at the hourly. Yeah, right here, 300. Well, you got right here. I mean, I can see it coming here. This is Tuesday's high day. And if you look at the fucking chart, whoops. I mean, I don't know how far back I feel like going. Oh, I see him right here. I see what you're looking at. Yeah, I mean, that could be a major area of resistance. We have to get up there though. I can see us getting up here and then fucking dumping. But, you know, who the fuck knows? I'll probably miss that. I'll probably be sleeping when that happens because I'm on the West Coast and it's 3 o'clock, 3:26 for me. And I don't like to take trades and go to sleep. I'm not that guy. The 4 hour, I look at the 4 hour once in a while, but not often. I will just to get a bigger picture. Yeah, I mean, there's a bunch of shit here. This is the same high. What day was this? So October 1st basically it's a little bit higher than yesterday's high, but October 1st high is basically the same area. And then you got these candles, those wicks right there. I mean, there's a lot of fucking resistance here. But like we get over that shit. I mean, this is the fucking no, that's not the high. That's not this is I mean, I don't know. I don't trust any of this shit, man. We could fucking dump 300 points today. It's the NQ. Let's be real. We all know the NQ is fucking volatile as fuck. I don't think I'll be able to make it on time, Alfred. I do want to get on. I've been getting on. So any of you guys that are new here, I stream during Power Hour for New York till about 5 p.m. Eastern. I used to get on earlier. I used to get on at like 11 to 11:30, well 2 to 2:30, and it just kept getting later and later, and then now it's just Power Hour. But I'm trying to get back on earlier. But if you guys want to hang out again, right? If you're going to be around and you want to hang out with a bunch of fucking awesome people in the chat, look for me. Look for me at during Power Hour. I'll be on. I'll be streaming for sure. Right now we can't. I probably will. I'll probably be trading them. I won't be streaming. I'll probably be hanging out in the Discord. I'll probably be fucking, you know, crying about getting top ticked and bottom ticked in the Discord. Beano Trades, what up, man? Yeah, Steam, man. You need to blow up some steam another way, bro. Like I've had days like that. You saw what, like last week? I have like a fucking stack of accounts that I blew. You gotta you gotta you gotta you gotta chill a little bit, man. Yeah, I've been there, man. You're on full tilt right now. Yeah, that's very possible too, Blatt. I mean, they'll run it all the way up and then drop it, or they'll drop it and then bounce it at the FOMC meetings. I don't know, like the minutes. It's not as big of a. I mean, it's a red folder event. It's not as big as the actual FOMC shit, but it's big enough that it's a red folder event. There's definitely going to be something happening. You got crude oil inventories today also, and then let's see. We got crude oil at 10:30. Um, you got bond auctions at 1 o'clock, and then on Thursday we got CPI. This is and unemployment claims. This is going to be whoops. This shit's going to fucking move the market for sure. That's at 8:32, right before the open. And then you're going to have FOMC member barking at us. Who? Of course, his name is Barkin. This guy Cook going to be talking about how they cook the books. You know, these fucking scumbags. Well, yeah, Thursday is going to be a big day. What's going on Friday? Anything? You got PPI on Friday. Nobody gives a shit about the Canadian unemployment rate, but that is happening at 8:30 as well. But yeah, you got CPI on Thursday, and you got this should be interesting. You got GDP, month over month GDP for the UK during during right well right before an hour before the London session opens. You got Great Britain's GDP month over month. That should be interesting. That will definitely move the market more than this fucking Canadian unemployment bullshit. Oh man, are we gonna reject off of this yet? Something's finally happening. They are fucking scumbags. They're the biggest fucking scumbags. All those cocksuckers. You made 1,800 on your PA, man. I don't even know how to say your name, man, because I know I'm gonna butcher it. Is the N silent? I'll just call you Guyan. Great job, though. Great job, Ghost Bear. Yeah, yeah, bro. So it's just a fucking game today. Oh, look at this volumetric shit disconnecting. I'll tell you one thing: if you're gonna get a My Fund the Futures account, just use TraderVate. This volumetric shit sucks. Isn't the Fed? Yeah, the Federal Reserve is about as federal as Federal Express. But I can't talk about that on the stream. Can't talk about anything. Just got to focus on the trading. They're always watching. It's a private fucking company. It just goes to show who fucking owns us. Is My Fund the Futures better than Apex? I don't know. I like them both. I have accounts with both of them. I like them both for different reasons. It's easier to get a payout from my funded futures, and they do pay a lot faster. I got my first ever payout with them Monday. Well, I put myself in line for my first ever payout, and then I requested it. Shit got approved instantly. I got the money the next morning. Yeah, you could use Quant Tower. Yeah, it depends on the account, the type of account you get too. I mean, I like Apex. Sometimes they make you wait for your fucking payouts, but lately they've been good. Except I waited 8 days, but the two payouts before that I got approved in a day, and I got my money fast. I'm gonna fucking go check to see if they sent the money to me already. I'm gonna log into my account, my bank account. I know they sent the email out. I just got really fucking stuffy. I think I have allergies. Yeah, they did. I got the fucking money. They're so fucking fast now with the payouts. For Apex's standard. By Apex's standards, so they approved my payout. They approved my payout on at 2:32 p.m. Eastern yesterday, and then they sent an email out saying we're sending your payout at 3:46 p.m. and the money's in my bank account right now. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Every other thing in here is fucking Amazon. My wife is a degenerate. My wife is an Amazon degenerate. It's too fucking funny. I gotta blur all this shit out. It's fucking funny. Amazon, 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 Amazon. Fuck yeah, that was fast though. Thank you. Thank you. Come again. Excuse me. Look, fucking crazy. There it is. Already. Love to see it. Got my fund of futures payout 9:34 a.m. yesterday, and I got my fucking Apex payout this morning. 3 G's in the bank from trading. CKJ, what up? Do I copy trade? I have. I don't always. It depends on what I'm doing. I don't have all my accounts. I don't trade. I don't put all my accounts from multiple prop firms in one copy trader. No. But if I have, it depends on what the situation is. I will copy trade like this is my Apex account. I might copy trade in here, but I don't know. You fuck up one account when you copy trade. You fuck them all up. QFC, thank you, man. Thank you. Yo, HR, thanks, bro. Yo, great job, man, getting that payout. Hell yeah. Yeah, is it right? Am I right? Is it Guyan without the N is silent, bro? Yo, dude, great job getting that payout, man. I love it. KDL, what's going on? Yeah, yeah. There's no trailing drawdown. It's end of day. Uh, yeah. I mean, I like them both. I mean, I've gotten. Hold on, I gotta blow my nose. I'll be right back. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Ooh, bouncing off. I mean, it looks like it doesn't know what it wants to do right now. Zayback, what up, man? Yeah, it is on the phone. It is, but man, it's like I've traded on that shit. I guess if you're like in a trade and you got to go somewhere and you don't want to get out of the trade, yeah, you definitely have it. But it's hard to trade on that shit. But it definitely comes in handy. What all? CKJ3. I trade. I have Apex. I have Take Profit Trader. My fund of futures. And I do have a fucking trade. I did get a trade day account the other day. I do have a trade day account as well. I'm just not logged into it right now. I'll usually I'll be like, oh fuck, I forgot to trade my trade day account. That's how it's been the first 2 days, and then I'll trade it real quick at the end of the day. I don't know why I just got so fucking stuffy. Yeah, yesterday we popped, bro. Dan. But yeah, CKJ, guys trade a bunch of different prop firms in here. We welcome any. We're cool with anyone who trades with any prop firm. We all just want to. We all want each other to win. We all just want to win. I don't care where you get. I don't care where you get your money from. What prop firm? It doesn't matter to me. What's happening here? Anything? I mean, it's kind of slow. But yeah, if anybody's not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button for Trevor Laconte, and oh, and if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. It's free. It's where the DCA gang hangs out. So guys that like, there's a lot of people that hang out on the stream, like they're regular, they hang out all the time. We also all hang out in a Discord, and that's the link for it. And we continue the conversation there, the good vibes, everybody wanting each other to win, all that shit. Some really Dan Emmons hangs out in there. I think HR hangs out in there. JB, a lot of guys hang out in there. Alfred hangs out in there. I'm just going through the fucking. I think Mark is in there. It's popping in there all the time, and it's it's fucking. We all just basically hang out all fucking day. It's just funny. Might not be the most productive thing, but we do hang out in there a lot. That shit'll be popping off in a few hours. Oh, you're Kanish? Okay, awesome. I did not know that. So now I'm gonna put a little note. Oh, someone just joined. Awesome. We got 653 members. Ghost Bear. Awesome. Awesome. All right, Mark. I didn't know that, bro. So now when I see Kanish, like I put like little notes next to people when I know who they are, if they have a different username than like what they go by on YouTube. So now I'm gonna put a note next to your account. See, yeah, see, there you go, Mark. There you go. Now I know. Fucking cool, man. It's a safe space for degenerate prop firm traders. That's where the DCA gang hangs out. I think I have allergies. The weather's changing. I don't get them nearly as bad out here that I did as I did in New York, but I'm not sick. But I just got really fucking stuffy. 298 is the high a day. I wanted to get this. Jesus Christ. I wanted to get this shit fucking green. before I fucking went to bed, but it's okay. Uh-oh. And we're just in this range right here. We is like a flag, but I need to go to sleep. That's what I need to do. Mark, man, I didn't. I didn't, and I apologize for that. Yeah, I think you're right, Alfred. I definitely don't want to get trapped in a fucking trade. You know how it is. Oh, and take one more trade, and then I get trapped in it for a fucking hour. So yeah, I'm gonna cut out. I gotta go to sleep. I gotta blow my nose again. I don't know what the fuck's going on. But yeah, one more trade, right? Let me make sure I don't have any open orders before I hop off, right? Gotta exit all. I didn't trade this at all yet. Exit all, cancel all. I got to trade. I literally left myself $52 on purpose to see if I could fucking build it back up. Trading micros, give myself not enough of a fucking buffer, and then go back to my normal type of trading. That's my funded futures account. I just got paid on. Exit all, cancel all. I was thinking about playing the bounce off the fucking 34. Also, already up 6 points. But I finally traded my take profit trader funded account, so that's good. Up $80. I'll take it. That's really all I got. I thought I had more than that, but that's okay. Didn't trade my Apex funded account yet. I got a lot of work. I got a lot of work to do. All right. Anyway, nice little fucking bounce there. Anyway, guys, it's been a pleasure. Some guys are. Some guys are still waiting. A couple of guys are waiting a while. Alfred's one of them. Are you waiting, Ghost Bear? Are you still waiting to get paid, or are you just curious because it's going to influence your decision on whether or not to get an account there? My man Marlo Legacy got paid early. He hit me up. He was on what stream did he come on? It was either the New York my Power Hour stream or when I hopped on when I was at my son's practice. But he said he finally got paid. He was waiting a while. It was a good London session. London's I'm telling you, man, London's been great. So was New York. I mean, not New York. Just the overnight in general. Yeah, I know. I know. Alfred's still waiting. I think Alfred's now. I think Alfred's still waiting for his a payout he requested like 3 weeks ago, and he's in line for another one. And there's some other people like that too. But whatever. I mean, I don't know. I mean, those rally accounts aren't that much money anyway. So I think it's more of an organization thing. I don't fucking know. I don't fuck with them personally. So I don't know what it is. There's a lot of you know, there's a lot of weird shit going on over there. Yeah, and they don't like me. They don't like me, so. But I don't care if you guys trade with them, right? I always say this all the time. I don't care where you get your money from. Just get paid. We're in the orb right now. The top orb is here at 94. Could reject there. Could just be, we could just ping pong between the top orb and the bottom orb. But that fucking little bounce here off the 34 again, look at that. The 34 EMA. 10 points, 11 points. Yeah, it's nothing personal. It's just business. It's us against the market. It's us against them. You know? And then if you go to you get a live account, you get a live account with them, then you become partners, which is cool. But I'm not worried about that shit. Nice. We just hit the fucking bottom. We just hit the top orb. Look, we hit the top orb and rejected right off of it. There it is. As soon as, well, we just missed hitting it. We just a tip, barely. But here we are. We dropped because of it. We popped to it and we dropped. So we might just ping pong between the top orb and the bottom orb until these fucking these FOMC clowns start talking. Anyway, I'm gonna bounce before I get fucking suckered into another trade. And I gotta get some sleep. I'm probably gonna get, what is it, 4 o'clock? I'll probably get like another 4 hours of sleep after the. I don't even count the nap, the little hour and a half long nap I took. I don't even count that towards my sleep. But anyway, it's been a pleasure, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. If you need any accounts with Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, or Bullinox, use coupon code ZERODAYJAY to get the best deal. It's the best coupon code in the world. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out, guys. It's been a pleasure. Special shout out to Rob Moores for hitting the super chat and for fucking he just keeps getting paid, man. I love it. He keeps getting paid. We love to see that. Anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Look for me. I'll be on for Power Hour. I will be on there, and I'll be hanging out in the Discord at some point when I wake up. All right, guys. Peace.